Hey everyone, I'm Tina. Today I will show you how to update your machine system. Before we start, here are a few important things to keep in mind. First, use original USB that come with your machine to avoid compatibility issues. Second, make sure your USB is FAT32 and 32 GB are smaller, or the update may fail. Third, watch a pop-up during the update. If you can cancel it, the file wasn't processed correctly and the update didn't start. If you cannot cancel it, the update is in progress. Do not power off or remove the USB, or you could damage the system. Lastly, if you are using a V22 or V22-2, contact the engineer before updating. There is a small chance of display issues, so it's best to confirm first. Next, let's download updated file. First, open your browser and go to www.100house.com. Once you are on the official website, click Control System, then select Release Notes. On this page, find your machine model on the left side. For example, click the mirror, then click Download. This will start downloading the latest system update file. After the download is complete, locate the date file and right-click it. Select Extract to current folder. Once extracted, you will see a folder named TZEBMUI, which contains about 57 files. Next, right-click the folder and copy it. Open your USB drive and go to the root directory. This is the main space you'll see right after opening the USB. A few important notes. First, the folder must be placed directly in the root directory. Do not put it inside any other folders. Second, do not rename the folder or any other files inside it, including the file extensions. Otherwise, the system won't recognize the updates. Once the files are ready, insert the USB into the embroidery machine. Turn on the machine, then go to Settings, System Update. Click OK to start the process. The system will begin updating automatically. During the update, please wait patiently and do not turn off the machine, remove the USB, perform any other operations. You must wait till the system completes the entire update progress. If a pop-up appears and can be cancelled, it means that the updated file is not set correctly. Please check the USB file replacement again. Only when the pop-up can now be cancelled, it does mean the machine is updating properly. That completes the entire system update process. After the update is finished, please check that the machine is running properly and confirm the system version has been updated to the latest one. If you run into any issues during update, feel free to contact your sales rep or technical support for assistance. Thanks for watching.